Catena 65, loading the film.
Poly-N means that the adhesive is wrapped on the inside of the roll of film. You can tell by looking at the film it has a dull side to it. That's the adhesive side, which is poly-N. Turn the film around, this is your shiny side. This is the side that's going to be laminated. So there is a difference. You want to make sure when you put your rolls of film on your machine, the dull side is facing you and the shiny side is against the roller. As you see on your film shafts, you have little indentations where you can line up your film when you put it on the film shaft itself. You slide this all the way to the end, because we're going to load 25-inch film on this machine. By tightening the thumb screw, it'll go right into the indentation, and it'll prevent the core adapter from sliding from left to right. Now simply take your roll of film and your film shaft, slide your film shaft onto the roll of film, make sure that the end of the film reaches the end of the core adapter, and do the same on the other side of the film shaft, sliding this core adapter on, make sure they're tight, and then go and finish up by tightening down the thumb screw. Okay, before you want to load your film on your machine, you want to take and remove your safety shield, and also remove this feed table tray. By removing the feed table tray, there's a latch located on the left-hand side underneath here. You have to pull the lever towards the right of the machine, lift up, and slide the feed table out. Notice this is the spring-loaded latch on the bottom. Now that you have your film on your film shafts, you can go ahead and place it into the machine. You'll see this brass bushing on the end here. This bushing goes into the side frame on the right. Left side of the machine, there is a socket that the film shaft will lock into. All right. And now do the same for the top roll of film. Make sure that your brass bushing is going into the hole on the side, and the hex head goes into the socket until it locks into place. Okay, now that we have our film on the machine, we're going to go ahead and load it up on the front of the rollers here, but you want to make sure that the dull side is facing you and the shiny side is against the rollers. Also, it's important that you make sure that you go underneath this chrome idler bar. And do the same for the bottom. Take your roll of film, go underneath the idler bar, pull your film up, like so, drape it over the top roll of film that you have, give yourself a little bit of slack so you can move your idler bar into the J channel. This provides tension on your roll of film. Next we'll go ahead and insert our feed tray. And we'll go ahead and put our safety shield on. Make sure that the interlock switches on each side of the corners are made with the safety shield. If it's not made and these interlock switches are not down, you won't have no motor. The machine will not run. Next we'll take our threading card, push it up against the rollers, go ahead and hit the run button, and the threading card will automatically feed into the rollers.